भर्ती लॉ इनको आज हम करेंगे इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू ऑफ दिल्ली स्पेशल पुलिस एस्टैब्लिशमेंट एक्ट। मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन और राइट आंसर बोलूंगी, इससे हमारा और आपका दोनों का टाइम बचेगा। ठीक है। दिल्ली स्पेशल पुलिस एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑर्डिनेंस वाज प्रोमुलगेटेड ऑन द राइट आंसर इज 25th September 1946. Special Police Establishment War Department was set up by the right answer is Government of India. What was the main purpose of Special Police Establishment War Department? The right answer is investigate offences of bribery and corruption with Department of Central Government. Fourth question. The Delhi Special Police Establishment Bill received its assent on. The right answer is 19 September 1946. Question number 5. The Delhi Special Police Establishment Act came into force. The right answer is 19 November 1946. Filling the blanks. An act to make provision for the constitution of a special police force in dash for the investigation of certain offences in. The right answer is the Delhi Union Territories. Question number 7. The Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946 extend to whole of India. कहाँ लिखा गया है ये? सेक्शन 1 में। Question number 8. According to Section 1A, words and expression used in Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946 which are not defined are defined in the Central Vigilance Commission Act 2003. Question number 9. According to Section 2, who may constitute the Delhi Special Police Establishment? The right answer is Central Government. Question number 10. According to Section 2 of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946, Delhi Special Police Establishment may be constituted for the investigation dash of offences notified under dash. The right answer is any union territory. Section 3 of DSPE. Question number 11. The member of DSPE shall have all the powers, duty, privileges and liability in relation to investigation and arrest throughout. The right answer is any union territory. Question number 12. Who may give orders and assign powers to members of DSPE? The right answer is Central Government. According to Section 3, who may notify the class of offences which are to be investigated by DSPE? The right answer is Central Government. Question number 14. In investigation of offences under PC Act 1988, the superintendents of DSPE shall vest in. The right answer is Commission. कहाँ दिया गया है ये सेक्शन 4 सबसेक्शन 1 में दिया गया है। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. द सुपरिटेंडेंट्स ऑफ DSPE इन ऑल अदर मैटर्स शैल वेस्ट इन. राइट आंसर इज सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। सेक्शन 4 सबसेक्शन 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. हु शैल अपॉइंट डायरेक्टर एज प्रोवाइडेड इन सेक्शन 4? द राइट आंसर इज सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। कहाँ दिया गया है ये? सेक्शन 4 में। ठीक है। Whose powers shall be deemed to vested in a director as per section 4? The right answer is Inspector General of Police. ठीक, कहाँ दिया गया ये? सेक्शन 4 सबसेक्शन 3 में। How many members are there in the committee formed under section 4A? The right answer is 2 members. ठीक है। Question number 19. Who is the chairperson of the committee? The right answer is Prime Minister. कहाँ दिया गया ये सेक्शन 4 के सबसेक्शन 1 के क्लोज ए में दिया गया है। ठीक है, कि 2 मेंबर होंगे और 1 चेयरपर्सन होंगे। Question number 20. By reason of absence of member in committee, the appointment of director shall be valid. ठीक है, कहाँ दिया गया ये? सेक्शन 4A के सबसेक्शन 2 में। ठीक है। The committee shall recommend panel of affairs on the basis of dash in investigation of anti-corruption cases, seniority, experience, integrity, all of the above. कहाँ दिया गया ये दिया गया है सेक्शन 4A के सबसेक्शन 2A में। From whom the officers be chosen by the committee? The right answer is Indian Police Services. कहाँ दिया गया है ये? सेक्शन 4A के सबसेक्शन 2 के क्लोज B में। Question number 23. According to section 4B, the director shall continue to hold office for a period of not less than 2 years. कहाँ दिया गया है? ये सेक्शन 4B के सबसेक्शन 1 में दिया गया। ठीक है। Question number 24. With whose consent director can be transferred? The right answer is committee. कहाँ दिया गया है ये सेक्शन 4B के सबसेक्शन 2 में दिया गया। ठीक है। Under which amendment section 4BA was instituted in the act? The right answer is Act 1 of 2014. Thank you for watching.